we're here at the Virginia Tech drone facility that's being erected as a new place for students to play with their projects and also to do experiments and researchers to come out and test new concepts. It's also a place where industry can come and try out their technology, and we'll have drone races and all kinds of other activities. So this facility will be about the size of an academic building, roughly 8 stories tall and as long as a football field. The most exciting thing to me about this facility is the fact that we'll be able to test new autonomous technology such as swarms in day and night conditions, all kinds of weather, and let them fly freely without having to worry about any kind of other limitations on when we can do that and how we can do it. So imagine being able to set up an aircraft to fly autonomously for a week at a time, then nobody needs to attend it. It just does its thing day and night, takes off and recharges and lands, and takes off again, all by itself. This is a unique facility, unlike anything else across the nation. It's taller and has more unobstructed free space within it. It's also within really close proximity of students' classes where they can walk over within a couple minutes and test out their new ideas. Someday I expect we'll be out here, we'll be able to see students flying swarms of aircraft autonomously to try out all kinds of new applications. Everything from package delivery to mapping and surveying, personal aircraft transportation. We're going to see the future develop right here behind us in this facility. So this facility will include almost 3 million cubic feet of airspace that's unrestricted for use for whatever we want to try out. Next door will be a lab and instructional space where students can prototype new technologies and walk out the door and in 5 minutes be in the air testing it out. Here at Virginia Tech, we have a tremendous amount of drone research that's going on, oftentimes in a lab, where it's a very sterile environment and you can test out a lot of unique conditions. However, one of the challenges there is we need real-world environments, real-world weather. And this facility will be a great location for faculty to come out of the lab and test out their aircraft and their technologies with rain, with wind, and any other kind of weather environments. Virginia Tech is unique. We have a world-class engineering program, we have great connections to industry, and we have one of 7 FAA test sites for unmanned aircraft, or drones. This new facility allows us to bring all those together here in one place.